Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change any notification sound on your iPhone. So, let's get started. The first thing you would need to do is to update your iPhone to iOS 17.2. Once you have updated it, you would need to go to your settings, then select sounds and haptics. In here, you would find that there are different ringtones, text tones, new mail, calendar alerts, and many more. But now, for iOS 17.2, there's this new update which adds a new category called Default Alerts. Unlike the ringtone category, where it's a ringtone for when somebody phones you, or text tones, where it's a ringtone if someone messages you, Default Alerts are for other apps that are not in any of these categories. So, to change the notification sound for Default Alerts, just go ahead and select it. And in here, you can select any ringtone you like. So, we have Rebound, which is the default setting. We also have Tritone, Antic, Cheers, and more. When you scroll down, you also have classics. So in here, we have classic iPhone ringtones. We also have haptics here. What this does is that it lets you choose how your phone vibrates. You can also create how your phone vibrates here in Create New Vibration. Just select that and tap on the screen any rhythm you like, and if you're pleased with it, just press stop and then save. If you find this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.